Hey there, check out the DOMAL car seat. Covers front seat bottom covers, designed to fit 95% of vehicles with ease. Made from premium Nappa leather, these covers offer durability, water resistance, and scratch protection while adding a stylish touch to your car's interior. The anti-slip gel design keeps the covers securely in place, and a handy front storage pocket helps keep your essentials organized. Safety is a priority, as these covers work seamlessly with seat belt buckles and vehicle safety systems. Cleaning is simple thanks to the easy-to-wipe surface, making maintenance hassle-free. Installation takes less than 5 minutes using included chucks and hooks, with no special tools required. Upgrade your driving comfort quickly and effortlessly with these universal car seat covers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.